Hello student, in this session we take some examples in exercise 7.1. These are the examples of distance formula. So first example is determine if the point 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. When these three points are collinear, suppose this is A point, this is B point and this is C point. If these 3 points are collinear, then distance between point AB plus distance between point BC is equals to distance between point AC. So we use here this formula. So distance between point AB plus distance between point BC is equals to distance between point AC. Then these 3 points are collinear. So by using this information we solve the given example. So let A of 1, 5, B of 2, 3 and C of -2, -11 are 3 points. We have to determine these 3 points are collinear or not. So first we find a distance between point A and B. So we write this distance as D of AB, or simply we write this as AB. AB is equals to square root of, our formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So we find the distance between these 2 points. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So first x2 minus x1 bracket square, this point is x2 and this point is x1, that is 2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, so 3 minus 5 bracket square, 3 minus 5 bracket square, this is equals to 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. So square root of 1 square is 1, 2 minus 2 square is 4. So root 5, distance between point A and B is equals to root 5 unit. So next we find distance between point B and C, that is D of BC is equals to square root of, so we use here these 2 points, so we use here distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is point x2 and this is x1. So x2 means -2 minus x2 minus x1, value of x1 is 2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, here value of y2 is -11 minus value of y2 is y2 minus y1, so value of y1 is 3 bracket square. This is equals to square root of -2 minus 2 minus 4 bracket square plus minus 14 bracket square. Negative square is positive, so 4 square is 16 plus minus 14 square is 196. This is equals to square root of, sum of these two numbers is 212. So we factorize this number, so we get 53 into 4. 53 into 4, we write this root 4 as 2 root 53 unit. So DC is equals to 2 root 53 unit. Next we find the distance between point A and C, that is distance between point A and C is equals to AC is equals to square root of, we also use here distance formula, distance between point A and C. So -2 minus 1, x2 minus x1, value of x2 is -2 and x1 is 1 square plus y2 minus y1, that is -11 minus 5 bracket square So minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 square plus minus 16 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 16 square is 256. That is square root of 265. Sum is 265. That is, we write this as 5 into 53, 5 into 53 unit. So by using this, distance between point A and B is equal to root 5. Distance between point B and C is equals to 2 root 53, and distance between point A and C is equals to 265 unit. So by using this, here we write AB plus BC. So AB plus BC is equals to value of AB is root 5 plus value of BC is 2 root 53, and value of AC is equals to 5 into 53 root 5 into 53. So by first and second we write here AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Hence given points are non-collinear. Given points are non-collinear. That is not collinear. Question number 2 is